Hello guys, I'm gonna help you just to revise numbers. When you talk about numbers, you talk about some confusion. Some students are confused when they use numbers in sentences and especially in writing or in speaking skills. So what is number? What difference between a number and a figure? Is there a difference or differences? All of that, this video will be with you. So let's talk about first two types of numbers. If you say number one and if you say first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So this is what we call numbers or figures. But number is the main word. And we call this one is cardinal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is cardinal number. So cardinal number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. How can I use that? I use this one to talk about the numbers, how many. So if you answer how many, if you were asked a question, how many, the answer is one of the number. So you say, for example, how many students are in this class? So you say 3 students or 15 students. So numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have another type of numbers. It's called ordinal number. Ordinal number. Ordinal number means order, to put in order. If you have order, if you have Ali got 99%. Omar got 98%. Zaid got 97%. So which one is number one? If you say number one is Ali, so number two is Umar, that's wrong. You can use the second type, ordinal, of numbers. You say the first is Ali, the second, not number two, the second is Umar, the third is Zaid. So first, second, third means 1, 2, 3. So you say first. You could write first in short, saying 1st, the last 2 letters of first. So first. The first is Ali. The first student is Ali, got 99%. The second is Umar, got 98. So second means 2, number 2, and the last 2 letters of second and D. The third means number 3, and the last 2 letters of third are D. The fourth means number 4, and the last 2 letters of fourth means TH. So first, 1ST, second, ND, third, or D, fourth, TH. So this is the order. I need you to ask me a question. What about 5? If I have number 5, so what is in order? I need to say the 5? No, it will be the 5th. The same TH. So 5 and TH. So this is 5th. And 6 and so on. Until 21. If you have 21, as a number is 21. But in the order, if someone is the number 21 in your class of this exam, for example, so what you say, 21 the same? No. 1 means first, so you say 21st. So 21st, the same. So we go back the same as first. If I have 22, so 22, I will go to 2, means the second. So 22nd, it will be 22nd, 2 ND. If I have 23rd, 23 means 23rd. I will go to third, RD. So 23rd means RD. If I have 24, I will go to 4. 4 means fourth. So 24th, it will be 24th, TH. So 24th, 23rd, 22nd, 21st. And I will go again to TH, 25th, TH, 25, 25th, till 31. If you want to do 31, I will give you the chance, Yes, I will go back from first to go to first. Means, yes, 31st, 31st, ST. So 31st, and so on. So this is what we call order. When can we use this one? Not about the how many question. No, you cannot use this one for how many question. No. When you were, for example, asked who is the first in your class, you say Ali is the first, not is number one. No, Ali is the first in my class. Who was 22nd in your class? For example, Zayed is 22nd in my class. 22nd, I means in the list, he is number 22nd. Okay, but not number 22. I means for the order. Most of these order numbers, or what we call ordinate numbers, were used and are used for list of things. What is the first thing you like? So you say the first thing I like, for example, is to get up early. Okay, what is the third thing you like to do every day? So the third thing I like to do every day is so and so. In a list, but not just saying about how many. So numbers here are answers for a question starting with how many, but ordinal number is always used for list order, for order. And the last thing is about that to be used in the days. If you want to say, for example, about the date today, what is today date? You say today is the 1st of April, not 1 of April. No, the 1st of April. So for example, today is 1st of April. For example, what you say here, you say, the 1st of April, ST, of April 2023. So always in the date you use this one, not using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is point number 1. Point number 2 about that, is about some mistakes, common mistakes. If you say this one is what? This one is what we call 100. Yes, that's right. Good. 100. Good. If I have 2, what we call this one? 100,000. So for example here, this one is 100,000. 100,000. So this is 1,000 and this is 100. Good. But if I have 200,000, what can I say? Can you say 200 or 200s? Because this is 2, not 1. If you say 200s, that's wrong. It is called 200. 300. The same without S. Without S. So 400. Okay, the same for 1,000. If you say 4,000, what can you say? 4,000, but don't say 4,000s. No, that's wrong. So 4,000, 5,000, and so on. So don't say any plural with the numbers of 100 and 1,000 and million. If you have, for example, 6 million, what can you say for 6 million? How can you write it? So 6, huh? Not millions, no, the same. So 6 million, but not millions that strong if you use S. So 6 million, 1 million, 6 million, and so on. So this is what to do today for numbers. I tried just to check with you the numbers, and another point coming now. Just wait.